So, you finally showed up after 200 years, huh, Solar? Prepare to meet our strongest weapon yet.
Don't think you've won, damn humans. I'll be back even stronger than before.
Phew, that was a close call. Though you may have potential, I sense a unified team here.
Potential?
I don't know.
Well, we did beat Solar.
Hey there. I used our strongest weapon, but Solar survived and got away. Also, I saw Chloe, Kelly and Onyx defeat Team Spark earlier. Can you have them meet me here, brother?
On it, brother.
Hey. I'm so glad you came. Solar is getting stronger by the day. We heard you three defeated Team Spark. Are you Angel Chloe's chosen team?
Chosen team? But Angel Chloe only chose me.
What do you mean?
We hardly know each other.
That's the point of being chosen. A legend said that the hero Angel Chloe chose would form unexpected friendships, and eventually become a team with unity, also known as Team Unity. So, will you fulfill your destiny to save the world, new Team Unity?
Yes.
We need to do it for Spark.
We'll defeat Solar and save everyone in the name of Angel Chloe.
A few days later, Midnight City is restored, and Team Unity gets popular. Team Unity receives a miracle crystal, giving Chloe back a lost memory.
Whoa. I feel powerful. Wait. I remember. Max. My owner. He could be in danger.
Giving Solar an idea.
Max. Seems like he's important. Time to get revenge. Team Unity won't know what hit them, especially Chloe.
We need to find Max.
But Chloe, where do we even start?
Ahem. Maybe we should search your old home, where I found you.
Good idea, Onyx. I hope Max is okay. Max. I'm so happy you're okay.
Chloe. Leave. Before it's too late.
Max? Don't scare me. What do you mean? Ah. Max. Snap out of it. I'm a friend. Ah. What did you do?
Oh. Didn't you want to see your owner?
He attacked me. How could you turn my best friend into a minion?
This is a waste of time. Go back to your precious team.
Sorry, friend. But I can't control my actions.
Ha 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 ha. So long, Chloe.
No. I'll get all the crystals and save this world. I'll be back, Solar.